A client recently approached RIGCOM Access to help solve a maintenance access issue they were having. The port operations utilized visual shipping guides that have large reflective panels that were overdue for replacement after the panels had faded due to their extended exposure to the harsh Australian climate. Often replacement works like this are achieved using an elevated work platform or a boom lift. However, due to the location of the masts along the foreshore where there is a lot of public traffic, using these methods wasn't a viable option due to cost and isolation issues. Having consulted with the client about rope access service solutions, it was revealed that this was a perfect example of how our teams could assist to resolve the access issue at the same time using a minimal operating footprint and removing all disruption to any public foot traffic along the foreshore. Our rope access team were mobilised to replace 5 panels on 3 masts, executing the replacement within 2 days with no operational issues. Before commencing the works, a comprehensive safe work method statement, rescue plan and other relevant documents were provided to the client, including evidence of our comprehensive range of workers' compensation and insurance policies. Here is just another example of how RIGCOM Access can assist our clients by utilising our rope access service solutions to carry out facility maintenance tasks, while minimising the impact that the work footprint might have on others. For all your high-level difficult access solutions, including facility maintenance and inspections, contact your #1 choice for technical maintenance, inspections and safety services at height. RIGCOM Access.